The Transactions tab in the Brokerment mobile app allows you to centralize and streamline back-office processes right at your fingertips. To create a new transaction, click the plus sign in the top right-hand corner. On this page, you'll first want to set up an appropriate transaction type and status. Something to keep in mind, fields may be populated if your MLS is connected, but for this example, we'll just add the information manually. Before navigating to the next page, you must enter the needed address information and price as these are required fields. Please note that the price field only requires numbers and should not include any commas, periods, or dollar signs. If needed, fill out any additional fields on this page and then click Next to see the available optional fields that have been set up on the desktop platform. Next, enter the commission information and select the side you represent in the current transaction and if you'd like to include the % of the commission you'll earn. The last step is to add contacts to your new transaction. Click the Add Contact link and enter contacts who are related to this specific transaction. Feel free to add as many contacts as you need, and if the contact isn't currently available, you can add them by clicking the Add Contact link here. When you're ready, click Create Transaction to finish adding the transaction within your mobile app. If at any time you need to edit the transaction, click the 3 dots in the upper right corner and then Edit Transaction from the menu. Once a transaction's been created, you can assign one or multiple checklists by navigating to the Checklist tab at the bottom of the page, clicking the 3 dots shown in the upper right-hand corner, and then clicking on Add Checklist from the menu. From the Add Checklist pop-up, select the template you want to use and enter an acceptance date if the template references a few important transaction milestones before clicking the Add button. Keep in mind that templates are in alphabetical order and will display the template in your Brokerment account first in this field. To learn more about checklist templates, visit our corresponding knowledge base article and video. Once the checklist has been assigned, you'll see a set of tasks and documents that should be completed. If there are multiple checklists that you need to assign for this transaction, you can add them by repeating the process of selecting the 3 dots, clicking Add Checklist from the menu, and then selecting the needed template. You can switch between templates by selecting the Checklist tab again at the bottom of the page. If you need to delete, rename, void, or make any edits to this checklist added to the transaction, click the 3 dots in the right-hand corner again, and then select the appropriate action from your menu. However, if you aren't seeing these options, you'll want to reach out to your admin to verify the permissions on your desktop platform. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team at support@brokerment.com or visit our knowledge base article for more information about transactions and checklists.